Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a 6 bedroom, 6.5 bathroom luxury property that offers grandeur, comfort, and impeccable design, tailored for modern living. Nestled in the well sought after gated community of Vista Del Mar, St. Anne, that offers ultimate luxury and privacy. This home boasts lots of living space, featuring an open concept design that seamlessly blends formal and casual living areas. This is perfect as a multi generational home, space for a growing family, or a luxury retreat. This property offers it all. Schedule your private showing today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 700,000 or Jamaican $110.6 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.